Some news just coming in. Sources have told India Today that Cabinet on Wednesday will approve repealing of farm laws. Sources say that in the meeting of the Union Cabinet, which is to be held this Wednesday, will be giving its approval. And this approval is to the proposal to withdraw the farm laws. So technically, the process of having a bill in Parliament again to repeal these farm laws in the upcoming winter session starts from Wednesday onwards, when a cabinet meeting is going to be taking place to repeal the farm laws. Shreya Bhardwaj is getting us more details on that from the national capital. In a way, Shreya, this obviously is going to give a sense of relief essentially to the farmers who've been fairly suspicious of the government in a way, saying that we actually want the process to start and to complete as well before we actually call off our protests, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. This is indeed to instill that amount of surety in the farmers, and definitely it's also part of the procedure because to repeal the laws that have already been introduced, they will have to get in the Repealing Act, which has a very similar procedure like passing a bill from the first state. So we do know that that is the reason why this will first be getting a cabinet nod, and followed by that it will be introduced in both the House of the Parliament. But starting this procedure, the start of the procedure will be seen on Wednesday. That is what the information is coming in so far, and obviously expected to get a unanimous nod and approval from the Union Cabinet.
Shreya, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more on that story in a bit. Key farmers meeting today at Shinghu border also to discuss what really is going to be the road ahead. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha is going to meet at 11 a.m. to discuss the next course of action regarding the ongoing agitation. A final decision on the MSP strategy and other demands will be taken up in this meeting. Representatives from all 42 farmers' organizations will participate in this meeting. Farmers are now resilient over their decision to not end the agitation till the time the laws are formally revoked in Parliament. A 9-member core committee has on Saturday demanded a guarantee law to be passed by the Centre for Ensuring MSP. They also have demanded to hold discussions over farmer deaths and the FIRs lodged against them during the 15-month-long protest. Decision on the proposed daily tractor march to Parliament as well during the upcoming winter session is going to be taken during this meet itself. Shreya continues to be with us. Shreya, like we were talking about, it's important for the farmers to decide how to in fact react, given the fact that the Prime Minister has come forward, apologized and made that promise. But there is a lot of trust deficit also, like we've been seeing over the last 1.5 years or so. And this clearly is an extension of that, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. You know, this is indeed an extension of the trust deficit that has been there in the farmers over the course of the 1-year period. What we do understand so far, there have been a series of meetings yesterday, and today the meeting that's supposedly going to happen at Shinghu border at 11 a.m. Will be seeing the extension of what we saw yesterday, where the farmers very categorically repeated saying the same thing, that they want a surety on MSP as well. They want a formal repealing is only when they will stop their protest. However, till then, whatever has been the lineup of the protest will continue. There is a Mahapanchayat that the farmers had called in Lucknow on 26th of November. They are still going to go ahead with that. They had called for a tractor rally to the Parliament because of the upcoming winter session that was supposed to begin on the 29th of November. They also say that will go ahead as planned. So very unlikely that today's meeting will see any different reaction or a different decision. However, there is a larger body that will meet today, and all the Kisan unions will have representatives today at Shinghu border when this meeting will formally happen, and there will be an announcement after that is what we're expecting, where the farmer bodies will all together announce the future course.
All right, Shreya, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with that. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that story. Now, there's a crucial meeting that Shreya was just talking about. What really is going to be on the agenda? Let's take a look. The next course of action. What are they then going to decide about the protests that we've been seeing for the last 15 months or so? Law on minimum support price. That again is something that is going to be coming up, since that's one of the demands of the farmers. Also, daily tractor march to Parliament during the winter session. That was actually planned a long ago, even before the Prime Minister made that decision. Again on the agenda, Kisan Mahapanchayat in Lucknow on the 22nd of November. Will that be called off? Agenda number 5, large agglomerations on first anniversary of the agitation on the 26th of November. That's something, again, that was on the cards, essentially. Withdrawal of the FIRs lodged against farmers, lots of criminal cases against many of these farmers, and that is something that needs to be withdrawn, is what farmers are essentially now saying. Ahead of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha scheme meeting, farmer union leader Rakesh Tikait has spoken to India Today. Listen in.
कानून वापसी तो हो गई, अब आप लोगों की घर वापसी कब होगी सर?
हाँ जी, घर वापसी भी होगी, सरकार से बातचीत कर लेंगे और बातचीत करने के बाद में घर वापसी करेंगे।
तो कैसे बातचीत करेंगे? मतलब आप चाह रहे हैं कि सरकार की तरफ से पहल हो, आप लोगों को बुलाया जाए? ये तो लग रहा है कि घड़ी की सुई वहीं जाके अटक गई है।
नहीं, भाई कोई बात समाधान की तरफ जा रही है अब, तो टेबल पे भी तो फाइनल टच तो उसको टेबल पे दिया जाएगा ना। और भी बहुत मसले हैं, किसान आंदोलनरत हैं, वहां पे किसानों की शहादत हुई है, किसानों के ऊपर मुकदमे दर्ज है, एमएसपी गारंटी कानून बने, ये भी एक मामला है, सीड बिल का मामला है, दूध की पॉलिसी क्या आएगी, तो ये बहुत से जो सवाल हैं। और ये चीजें उस टाइम पे भी तय हुई थी जब 11 दौर की बातचीत हुई कि एमएसपी और 3 कानून पे बात अलग होगी और उसके बाद में एक कमेटी बन जाएगी जो सारे मामलों पे कमेटी तय करती रहेगी, फिर लोगों को आंदोलन ना करना पड़े। ये उस टाइम पे भारत सरकार और किसानों के बीच में एक तय हुई थी चीजें।
तो न्योता आया क्या अभी सरकार की तरफ से कोई?
अभी कोई नहीं आया।